Welcome to Employment and Education News.
This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Assam Rifles Technical and Tradesman post vacancy in Office of the Director General, Assam Rifles Shillong. Eligibility 10th, 12th, Diploma in Engineering, Diploma or Degree in Pharmacy, Graduation. Age limit between 18 to 23 years as on 1st January 2023. Apply between 17 February 2023 and 19 March 2023. Application fees are as 200. No fee for SC, ST, women and ex-serviceman candidate. सफाई वाला पियन आया सब इंजीनियर लेडी डॉक्टर रेसिडेंट मेडिकल ऑफिसर पोस्ट वैकेंसी इन ऑफिस ऑफ द कैंटनमेंट बोर्ड मोरार. एलिजिबिलिटी 5th, 8th डिप्लोमा और डिग्री इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग MBBS. एज लिमिट बिटवीन 21 to 30 years फॉर सफाई वाला पियन आया सब इंजीनियर, 23 to 35 years फॉर लेडी डॉक्टर रेसिडेंट मेडिकल ऑफिसर. Apply between 25 February 2023 and 26 March 2023. सैनिटरी इंस्पेक्टर लोअर डिवीजन असिस्टेंस माली चौकीदार पंप खलासी पोस्ट वैकेंसी इन कैंटनमेंट बोर्ड ऑफिस दानापुर. एलिजिबिलिटी 10th, 12th एंड कंप्यूटर टाइपिंग ITI, 12th एंड डिप्लोमा इन सैनिटरी इंस्पेक्टर. एज लिमिट बिटवीन 21 to 30 years. लास्ट डेट फॉर एप्लीकेशन 11 March 2023. Application fees are as 1000 for general, OBC, ex-servicemen, departmental candidates and are as 500 for SC, ST, women, transgender and physically disabled. Office of the Principal, Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, Northwest Region, recruitment in sports quota for 3 income tax inspector, 7 tax assistant, 10 multitasking staff. Eligibility 10th, bachelor degree. Age limit between 18 to 30 years for income tax inspector, 18 to 27 years for tax assistant and 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 17 March 2023. Assistant engineer, assistant teacher, junior assistant, stenographer, electrician, mechanic cum driver, office assistant, Mali, dresser post vacancy in Jhansi Cantonment Board. Eligibility 10th, 12th and computer typing, ITI, BTC or BD and TET pass, bachelor degree in electrical or mechanical engineering. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 20 March 2023. Junior engineer, sanitary inspector, junior assistant, revenue collector, assistant teacher, forest guard, pump operator post vacancy in Cantonment Board, Nainital. Eligibility 12th and English Hindi typing, ITI, diploma in civil engineering, bachelor degree and state TET or central TET primary level exam passed with DELED or BED. Age limit between 21 to 30 years for junior engineer, sanitary inspector, revenue collector, assistant teacher, forest guard, pump operator. 21 to 35 years for junior assistant. Apply between 25 February to 15 March. Sanitary inspector, auxiliary nurse cum midwife, dresser post vacancy in Cantonment Board, Pachmarhi. Eligibility 12th and diploma in A&M training, 12th with physics, chemistry, biology and diploma in dresser training. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Apply between 27 February 2023 and 28 March 2023. Junior management trainee, office assistant, stenographer, junior maintenance and operator trainee post vacancy in Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited. Eligibility ITI electrician, diploma in electrical or electrical and electronics engineering, bachelor degree. Age limit between 21 to 32 years for junior management trainee, office assistant, stenographer, 18 to 32 years for junior maintenance and operator trainee. Last date for application 18 March 2023. Executive trainee post vacancy in GAL India Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech with GATE 2023 score. Age limit maximum 26 years. Last date for application 15 March 2023. Management trainee post vacancy in Engineers India Limited. Eligibility BE or BTech with GATE 2023 score. Age limit maximum 25 years. Last date for application 14 March 2023. Staff nurse, dental technician, lab technician, junior X-ray assistant, table boy, ward girl, AYA post vacancy in Directorate General Border Security Force. Eligibility 10th, 12th and registration as dental technician with 2 years diploma, 12th and medical laboratory technology, 12th and diploma in radiography, degree or diploma in nursing. Age limit between 21 to 30 years for staff nurse, 18 to 25 years for dental technician, lab technician, junior X-ray assistant, 18 to 23 years for table boy, ward girl, AYA. Last date for application 9 March 2023. Salary H for pay level 3, 4, 5, 6. For motor pump attendant post vacancy in Cantonment Board Kanpur. Eligibility ITI electrician. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Apply between 13 February 2023 and 16 March 2023. SI Vehicle Mechanic, Auto Electrician, Storekeeper, Constable, OTRP, SKT, Fitter, Auto Electrician, Vehicle Mechanic, BSTS, Welder, Painter post vacancy in Directorate General Border Security Force. Eligibility ITI, Diploma in Automobile or Mechanical Engineering. Age limit maximum 30 years for SI and 18 to 25 years for Constable. Last date for application 9 March 2023. 107 Medical Officer, 185 Specialist Medical Officer, 5 Super Specialist Medical Officer post vacancy in Central Armed Police Forces. Eligibility MBBS, PG degree in Medical Science. Age limit maximum 30 years for Medical Officer, 40 years for Specialist Medical Officer, 50 years for Super Specialist Medical Officer. Apply between 15 February and 16 March 2023. Thanks for watching till the end.